Hi, welcome to the solution of yesterday's challenge. So let's have a quick look at the question. The difference between a larger number and twice of a smaller number is 6,428. The sum of the two numbers is 39,596. Find the difference between the two numbers. So the question says the difference between a larger number. We have shown the larger number by a green rectangle and the smaller number by an orange rectangle. And the question says twice the difference between the larger number and twice the smaller number is 6,428. So we take 2 times the smaller number and add 6,428 to the two smaller numbers, we get the larger number. Because the difference between the larger number and twice the smaller number is 6,428. So if we take 2 times the smaller number and add 6,428, we get the bigger number. Now, it's also given that the sum of the two numbers, the smaller number and the larger number, is 39,596. So instead of the larger number, we can also use two smaller numbers and 6,428 instead of the larger number. As I have shown over here, so we put the smaller number as it is, and instead of the larger number, we put in 2 times the smaller number and the difference 6,428 to represent the larger number. So now the sum of the two numbers, the smaller number and the larger number, which is equal to 39,596, can also be shown as the sum of one smaller number, and we have replaced the larger number by two smaller numbers, and the difference between the bigger number and the two smaller numbers, that was 6,428. Instead of using one larger number, we have used this combination. So now we can see 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 of the 3 times the smaller units plus 6,428 is equal to 39,596. So the 3 smaller units would be equal to 39,596 minus 6,428 is equal to 33,168. So if 3 smaller units are equal to 33,168, so one smaller unit would be equal to, you divide 33,168 by 3 and you get 11,056. So the smaller number is equal to 11,056. You know the sum of the smaller number and the larger number, which is equal to 39,596. So you can find out what the larger number is by subtracting the smaller number from the sum of the two numbers. So you get the larger number as 28,540. So you have shown the green rectangle as 28,540. The smaller one is 11,056 as we found earlier. So the difference between the two numbers is 28,540 minus 11,056, which works out to be 17,484. So hope you got it.